In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send email on Zendesk. In order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com and into this part, proceed to enter right here the work email that you wish to use for your account. Once you have done that, proceed to click onto this try for free in order to do it. Now, if you already have a free trial for them or if you already have an account, proceed to click onto the sign in option that we can see right here in order to sign in. Now here is my dashboard into the actual Zendesk. From in there, you can see your left sidebar such as your dashboard, your views, your customers, organizations, reportings, and admin. For this case, let's head over to our customer and choose right here the customer that you wish to send an email with. As you can see, here are the customers that we have for now, and you can also find your customer list for this part. So onto this, just head over and then add in your customer, or you can also just get the email given to that and then send an email directly from your actual Gmail that will have your custom domain available. Another option that you can do is to just click on your profile right here, and then from in there, you can actually change the display options affiliated to it that you would want. Now into that, you can just search for the contact that you want for this and just choose the outbound email utility icon to make sure that it's actually added. You also head over to your admin center, and once you're on your admin center, it should be able to show you these options that we have in here for now. For this case, click onto this search and try to search in here for specific options like email. You can find in here your email, so you can proceed to edit out some things that you need for this, then send out emails according to your protocols that you have for your site. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.